Welcome. In this tutorial, we will add production-ready request and response logging to a Django REST Framework API using DRF API Logger. By the end, you will know how to install it, configure it, inspect logs, and avoid the common security mistakes. Here is the problem. When an API fails, the missing context is usually the request body, the response, the status code, and the timing. DRF API Logger turns that missing context into searchable records. Start by installing the package with pip install DRF API Logger. If you plan to store logs in the database, run migrations after adding the app to Django settings. Configuration is small. Add DRF API Logger to installed apps. Add the API Logger middleware. Then enable database logging, signal logging, or both, depending on how you want to consume the log payload. During a request, the middleware captures headers, body, method, status code, client IP address, response body, and execution time. It masks sensitive fields, then sends the log to a background queue or to your signal listener. In Django Admin, each API call becomes easy to inspect. You can search by URL or on payload, filter by method and status, export rows, and quickly notice slow or failing endpoints. Before production, treat logs as sensitive data. Tighten masking rules, set request and response size limits, skip endpoints you do not need, and avoid storing tokens or personal data unless there is a clear reason. For performance analysis, enable profiling. The log can show SQL time, query count, and a timing breakdown. That helps you spot problems like slow queries, external calls, or an N+1 query pattern. That is the complete workflow. Install the package, configure Django, run migrations, inspect the admin logs, and harden your privacy settings before production.